Now, how can you use the heart rate monitor on your Apple Watch? So, the heart rate sensor is built into the backside of the Apple Watch. When you flip it over like this, you can see this little circle area and a bunch of different sensors are implemented here. And the heart rate gets automatically measured throughout the day. At some random intervals, it's gonna check the heart rate of yours, and based on that, it can count the amount of calories you burned and stuff like that in the background. So by default, you don't necessarily have to do anything, and the heart rate still gets tracked. As I said, based on this, the amount of workout minutes and calories burned, everything like that is determined by the heart rate. However, if you specifically want to measure that number right now, you can open up the apps view of your Apple Watch and find the one which is looking like a little red circle with a heart on it. And when you click on this, it will perform the measurement at that instant. So you will see your live heart rate. Even as it moves, you can see it being tracked in real time. But this application has multiple different purposes because you can even swipe up on this page and check out some different sections there and see the range of your heart rate. You can see some other information like the resting heart rate and recovery, walking average, and a lot of different cool things and metrics to check out. I keep mentioning in my videos when, I talk about the Apple Watch and heart rate that still the best way to see and browse the data measured and collected by the Apple Watch is still by using the iPhone. So inside of the iPhone, you just locate the health app and then navigate to the heart section. And there you can see even more data, and you can go way into the past and see the daily, weekly, monthly numbers and all of these averages shown visually on a chart. So it is very useful in that sense. So obviously you can check out some data on the watch, but for some extensive approach, you definitely need to grab the iPhone where everything or most of the things are going to be shown. So that's it. Let me know below in the comments if you have some other specific thoughts in mind regarding this issue. If you have some more questions, leave them below. Subscribe for more, and I'll catch you in the future videos.